Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Lariat in magnetic with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This is got an FX4 off-road package. It's a 4x4 with a 5-liter V8 engine, and it's a flex fuel. It also has a Lariat chrome appearance package and a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The mirrors are also power folding, and you have memory for the driver's seat located here, and you have that nice wood grain paneling. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You also have power pedals, lighting controls, and LED side view mirror spotlights, grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in, and your steering wheel has power tilt and telescope. On the face of the steering wheel, you have dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system, and media control with volume. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and I'm going to push the engine start button. On the dash, you're going to see any important messages. As well, you have a menu you can toggle through: My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, you're seeing the B&O logo for the audio play. You also have a little bin up there: hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for better fuel economy. You have a touchscreen down below with your navigation, and you can also have your backup camera view when you put the vehicle in reverse. As I touch through to the audio sources, you have AM, FM, Sirius Radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You can then go into your settings if you want to slide through there, and you have things like Wi-Fi hotspot. You're also seeing that you have a heated steering wheel by that little logo up there. Volume and tuner. There's your CD player. Down below is dual climate control for both driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger. You also have AC and max AC, front and rear defrost. And in the cubby, you're seeing a couple of USB. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. You also have an automatic select shifter, and there's drive mode. When you press that, it'll appear on your dash. You can toggle through. There's normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, and sport, and then you go back around again. And there's your couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up, and inside there's a nice little bin. You then take that out, more room down below, and a 12-volt outlet as well. Off to the side, 12-volt and a 110 outlet. A locking glove compartment. Up above, an auto-dimming rear view mirror. There's your universal garage door opener, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and this slides that power back window for you. And then when you want a little fresh air, there's the slide button for the moonroof. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome door handle with intelligent access and keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is just below that handle, and backup sensors are on your bumper. You have a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you want to open up that tailgate, you can do so by double clicking your fob. It powers it down for you, making it easier to get in. And inside, you'll notice it's nicely lined. There's tie downs in all 4 corners. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows, and that nice trim that has the simulated wood grain. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. To bring it back down, simply pull the clip and down it goes. You have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. There's an armrest with a couple of cup holders, all-weather mats on the floor, and it also has extra carpeted mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center you're seeing a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, 110, and USB outlets, air vents, as well as the heated seat controls. Grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. Up above, hooks and lighting in that panoramic view, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Chrome bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.